Make a great choice today with the 2013 Model S. Model S is the world's first premium electric sedan. Model S provides an unprecedented driving range without burning a drop of gasoline. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, rear window defroster, navigation system, leather upholstery, heated seats, audio radio, touchscreen display, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, dual power seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.